Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Raya and thank you so much for tuning in today. Sorry I've been MIA. I did post on the reason why. It's been quite difficult subject for me to kind of touch upon or really get into, and I probably will do at a much later date, but right now I'm just going to try to focus on getting back to being me and doing more kind of home stuff, some vlogs, some fashion. So anyways, today is a bathroom update video. It's more of it's not before and after. I might kind of do that separately. I'm not sure. I could actually just insert it in, I'm not sure yet. But I wanted to show you the bathroom because it is finally done. It's more so my ensuite. The bathroom will probably be done in a couple of months or something like that. So I have kind of done a bit before. So I've inserted the footage in here. But I'm really excited to show you my toilet. So I'm going to show you that and how that works. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. I just wanted to show you what we've done here. I've designed this entire bathroom, and with my husband and I, we've sourced basically every single product. So it is, I wouldn't say it's the neatest in here, but I mean, it's not bad for such a tiny space. I particularly wanted to show you the toilet because it's a smart loo and I absolutely love it. So I thought I'd just turn you guys around and just let you guys know that it is I'm so sorry about the echo. I've actually stepped into the shower because of the light. And also they do the toilet seats. So if you don't want to invest in a smart toilet, like if you're not ready for that, or you don't have like the capacity, then they also do toilet seats. So there's many brands out there, but I am happy with this toilet. So if their toilet seats are anything like the toilet, then you're gonna love them. And it was super easy to install. My builder said to me it was one of the easiest for him. Like, it's plug and play, he said. So all he did was connected the soil stack, the water pipe, and he plugged it in, and then it was all good. I forgot to mention that Washloo are the first and only UK based company who are a family owned company. So I'm really happy about that because I always love buying from like family run companies. There's always a bit more better service, I find, rather than like with a corporation. You always get a better service with a family-based company, in my opinion and in my experience. So they offer a 2-year warranty, and it's an all-in-one loo, which means the cistern is like built into the toilet, and so there's no need for it to be like built out or anything. So if you are lacking for space and need some sort of a solution, then this one will be really great. I really love it. My builder said to me that it's the easiest toilet that he's ever installed, meaning all he's done, he cut out a hole for the waste pipe, and then he connected the water and plugged it in. So you need electricity for this, and that was it. It was the easiest thing ever. It's really easy to use. So I'm going to show you first the foot pedal because it does have a sensor, but in a tiny ensuite like mine, the sensor kept on coming on every time I would go into the room because I only have like this much room. So you can just deactivate the sensor and have a foot pedal, and then it also like flushes. Well, it lifts off the seat, and then it will put it down, and then it flushes. So if you're someone who doesn't want to touch a flush or touch anything, then you can just kick it, especially in the night when it's dark. It does have like a little light in the dark, but it has this digital print that I really am loving, and it has the temperature of the seat and I think the water as well. I'm not 100% sure with the water, but this is super duper easy to use. You've got the, if I open this up again, this seat, here we go, focus, you can open it. But anyways, it has an auto bubble, so it's like an anti-splash thing. So this is like a foam thing. So it's really cool. Like, I think that's so awesome. You've got eco, like save energy, and the seat you can put back down, the cover you can put back down, the seat temperature you can adjust using this button here, and you've got a dryer. My husband uses the dryer. I don't really use the dryer like on any toilet because I just think it takes a long time to dry in any case, and but this one's pretty good. Water temperature, and then you can flush again here. This is my favorite because I mainly use the pressure to adjust the pressure, and the nozzle, it can bring it forward or back. The baby function is for like a young child, so it's just like a softer spray. That's been really good for me after I gave birth especially, so I like using that. And just in general, if you're quite sensitive, it's a good function. I actually thought it was the name, but it isn't. It's the functionality of this. Switch here, and you've got the stop drying, so, and the massage feature. So these, I would say, are like mainly the ones I use the most. So yeah, I want to show you guys some of the stuff that we use. A little haul that I did. I especially love Bamford. My husband loves it. It's unisex, and I love some of their products, and I've got some other stuff too that I want to show you guys. So I've decided to kind of step out the bathroom and show you guys. So I do want to redo the grout. We're going to redo this, and if like you can see some discoloration, I think we had a bit of a leak. So this is all going to be done. The shower, we've gone for like the hardware, we've gone for oiled ribbed bronze, and it's so beautiful, but it does show up some limescale if you haven't cleaned it. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, like traditional looking thing. But the only problem is we had a hard time finding like the matching brassware. So we got it's a 350 or 300. I'll put it on the screen because I'm always wrong about measurements. Rain head, I do really love it, and it works on low bar pressures as well. But for us, like, we don't want to be like waterboarded, so it's enough. It is a rain head, not a monsoon kind of thing. So we've gone for brass hardware because it was really difficult to find oiled ribbed bronze, and I will link to where I got this. I got it from the big bathroom shop, and you know what, I am so happy with the quality. I didn't want to spend any more for like something like a Axel or, you know, those more expensive premium brands. So we have got a little niche. Word of the wise, plan your niches and your electrics, I know most of you will, before you get into the bathroom, because we've got some beams, like battens going down, so we cannot have it any wider, we couldn't have it centered, we had to have it there. And I'm glad, because I thought it wasn't going to be possible. And I've just gone for like more of a smaller herringbone style. I'm gonna get a glass shelf because I want the light to go through, and put it like halfway so I can put my, you know, some shampoo bottles. I've got 2 more little hooks like I've got here, so I'm gonna get them in there and kind of mirror them there so I can hook my loofah and my razor to hang it on there. But these hooks I actually got from Temu. I absolutely love these because they look really good, they blend in. I didn't want any more hardware to draw attention, so this you can just hook like little face flannel on here. And I like to leave these out. I'll tell you more, maybe I'll do like a little toiletry thing. But this is actually from the cast iron company, and amazing, amazing, amazing. I will link it below. I got one from downstairs from Parker Howley. The quality of this, I don't want to say is better, but I feel like, I don't know, I love it. I love it very much. And the marble on here is a Carrera, and it is stunning. It complements the tiles in here. All the tiles in here are from Mandarin Stone. It's their Carrera range. I've gone for a pencil, and I wanted the brick format, and then larger down here, and then so it's non-slip down here. But word of the wise, maybe go for 1 slab if you don't want grout lines. We're going to use a resin bound grout down here. I'll tell you about it in a second. This is a fixed drawer because the sink does go a little bit deeper down. But if you wanted like a sink mounted one and a countertop mounted sink, then that would mean you would get an extra drawer. This fits a lot. It's a bit messy in here at the moment. So if you look at the size of this cream, it's quite massive actually. If you look at it in my hand or in the mirror here, and the height of it, you would think it wouldn't close, but it does. It's soft close. And in here is probably a bit of a mess as well. I've got like all my goodies. I might just arrange that with you, but it fits a lot of stuff. And this is a 650 cabinet. It is a tiny bit high, but it's not too high. My builder was suggesting cutting the feet off, and I was like, just leave it. I don't want any more mess in here. And then the hardware, the tap hardware, we went for the same to match the shower, and the colour actually goes well with this. This colour is called Black Truffle, or Cherry Truffle, sorry, and it is it's like I'm trying to show you in the light because I don't think you can see the colour. It's a really dark maroon colour, and I chose this and it was custom painted. This is the unlacquered brass from Corsten. So I wanted something quite traditional, so love that, and it goes like this, goes really well with that. And this mirror here is, so last minute again, we decided, I don't know if we planned everything as well as we wanted to, but this mirror is a cabinet mirror, so it's quite a big mirror actually. And let me just show you guys in here. So for storage, this can actually fit back, but the thing is, because of the beams, we couldn't put it any further back. So this does actually fit a lot. You can put things at the top here, and you can probably put a shelf if you wanted a solution idea. This is still pencil that hasn't been rubbed out, by the way. We're going to get this cleaned up, but I mean, this is a really good space saving idea. Like if you look at the side, like you can't actually see that this mirror sticks out or anything. And the light above we got from Corsten. I'm just going to put it on brighter for you guys. So this is actually from Corsten, and it is a bathroom. I think they need to be like an IP rated for bathrooms, and this is lacquered brass or unlacquered brass, and I thought it goes really well at the top here. But just be mindful, guys, of where you like put your light and things like that. So yeah, this is a really nice big mirror that I absolutely love. It needs a bit of a clean up, and again, I've just gone for the marble all along here. This does need to get painted. I've gone for a pocket door, and so there's a few things that still need to be done with this pocket door, like we need to paint all here, but I wanted a mirror in here as well. So not only can you see yourself, but it just makes the room a lot bigger. And here, I've already shown you the toilet, but the towel rail here is, where did we get this from? I don't, I'll double check, but I was really impressed with the company. I'm really happy with all the companies that we've used actually. And I've got my husband's towel. It's got his initial there, and this actually matched this really well with this. And it's just electric. You can put it on a timer, you put it on 40. It doesn't cost much at all to run, my husband was saying. And again, I've got this hook here, so you can hardly see it, so I'm glad I went for something like this, so I can just hook my towel on. And this little bin here I got from Tesco's, believe it or not, and what I like about it is that it doesn't bother you too much. It's not too in your face. You can put it in the corner if you wanted to. This I actually got off Temu. I don't know why I keep saying actually. I got it off Temu. You can get it on Amazon, but I did find it a little bit cheaper off Temu. It does, like, it doesn't wobble too much. Like, it's got a weight at the bottom, and you can put your phone here. Like if it's a time of the month, you can put your things there, you know, that type of thing. And I went for a really slimline toilet brush. This should actually live like this, so you can hardly see it. And I've got a bit of eye cow down there, but the ceilings do really need to be painted. I'm not like overly happy with them. They I think they only got one coat of paint, so they really need to be redone. And there's just a few bits here and there that need to be done, but other than that, I'm really happy with the bathroom, and all the companies that I've used I'm really happy with. Like big bathroom shop, the first time I've used them and I love them. I will definitely be buying from them again. Mandarin and Stone, I've bought from them before. You can always rely on them. The pretty good company. The one that I used was the one in Weybridge. I've always been happy using them, and I'll be using them again. You can go to Cornerstone as well, but they don't really do a lot of marble, but I did get my kitchen flooring from there. Really good company as well. And for the tiles, the glass I got from a local person. I had a fitter come and install it for the shower screen. This was all done in December, so we're trying to get everything ready before the baby, but obviously, you know, things didn't go as planned. And the toilet, again, I've already spoken about that. Happy with the company, and where I bought the radiator from. Even this company here, it's Vorhouse or something like that. I'll put it up on the screen and I will link it for you, because if you want storage and you've got like a little space, or you've got a little bit of solution, or you can't have it in a niche and it has to sit on the wall, then this is really good, because you don't actually know it's on the wall, you don't know the storage behind it. So it's really clever. Corsten, I've ordered so much from, all the lights in the house, all the light switches, and I'm really happy with Corsten as a company. They're really good, so definitely recommend them for bathroom lights especially, because sometimes you can go to some companies and I don't always trust certain companies, but Corsten, like, they're very good to deal with, and I'm really happy with them, and their price point is really good as well. I don't think it's that bad. My windows are Velux in here. They're really good. They're on a smart Velux system, so I can do it from my phone from downstairs. It will automatically close when it rains. It needs a proper clean, and I don't know how we're going to clean that, because some of the Velux flip over. I'm not sure if this might flip over. I don't really know how to do it if it does. So guys, that is it from me for today. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the bathroom, and hopefully it gives you some ideas if you have like a small ensuite or a small bathroom, like a few ideas, a few little hacks and stuff like that. And I'm really happy that I managed to find like a few accessories that are really like cost effective. They work for me. So anyways, I will link everything below, and if I haven't, then I'll probably put an alternative if I can't find it, but I'm pretty sure everything should be available. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your love and support. It's really meant the world to me in such a difficult time. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and do bear with me. I'm trying to get into more fashion things. I'm trying to lose some of the baby weight, so there'll be some postpartum fashion and things like that. So anyways, I love you guys a lot, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.